Productivity is the ability to produce more output per worker per hour. 3 decades ago, you could find computers pretty much in every workplace in the US. However, productivity growth remained flat. But somewhere in the late 90s, US productivity boomed, led by computer technology. So what changed? In the late 80s and early 90s, most workplace computers were individual units plugged into nothing but an electrical outlet. They were useful for writing and printing documents, acting as overgrown calculators, or playing Street Fighter 1, but that was about it. When the World Wide Web came along, everything changed. It turned out that computers were far more useful when they could talk to each other and be used cooperatively. Productivity in the US boomed for the next 10 years, and wages jumped as a result. It connected the world in a way that made it much easier for people to get information, share, and communicate. This demonstrated that connectivity equals productivity. Similarly, patient genomic profiles generated through NGS testing today function like computers in the 80s. They remain isolated from each other amidst the rapidly changing clinical trial landscape. What the World Wide Web has done for computers is being replicated today by Icon Cancer Center, Roche, and Oncoshot for patient genomic profiles, connecting them to create a wealth of population data. Roche has begun supporting Icon's cancer patients with NGS testing and then digitizing the results, going beyond the standard practice of paper reports. This has digitalized many human-driven tasks. Oncologists no longer have to manually search for clinical trials. The Oncoshot platform continually surveys local and global landscapes for new treatment options and notifies upon finding them. The consolidated population data also presents observable trends and characteristics that can be studied. Furthermore, it has made Icon more visible to drug development companies looking for suitable cancer patients, in turn generating further clinical trial opportunities. As a health insights platform, Oncoshot was able to provide industry partners with the highly precise insights derived through digitization and digitalisation. This granted cancer patients wider access to innovative drugs in ongoing clinical trials, and at the same time helped clinical trial sites manage their research programs. As you can see, increasing connectivity increased the productivity of each patient's genomic profile. And by increasing productivity, we can drive equitable access to innovative therapies in clinical trials. Ultimately, this takes us closer to our goal of creating a coordinated and collaborative system that puts cancer patients at the center and improving their options and outcomes. The future is made by all of us, so be a part of this revolution today.